Excellent source of protein. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissues. This makes them particularly beneficial for muscle growth and maintenance. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin A, selenium, and choline. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, such as bone health, immune system support, and brain function. Eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that can help protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These compounds are particularly beneficial for maintaining good vision as you age. Heart health. Contrary to previous concerns about cholesterol, recent research suggests that moderate egg consumption is not associated with an increased risk of heart disease for most people. Eggs are a good source of healthy fats and can be part of a heart-healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Weight management. Eggs are satiating and can help you feel full for longer due to their high protein content. Including eggs in your meals may reduce overall calorie intake and support weight management. Skin health. The vitamins and minerals in eggs, such as vitamin A, biotin, and selenium, contribute to healthy skin. Biotin, in particular, is known for promoting healthy hair and nails, reduced risk of birth defects. Folate is essential for preventing neural tube defects in unborn babies. Eggs are a good source of folate, making them a valuable addition to the diets of pregnant women. Muscle health. The protein in eggs supports muscle growth and repair, making them a great choice for athletes and individuals looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Nutrient absorption. Eggs contain a small amount of fat, which can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin D, E, and K.